Can ChatGPT make you rich in 2023? ChatGPT is everywhere. Unless you've been living under a rock. Or just happen to be one of the few humans alive that don't own a smartphone or use the internet. You've probably heard of ChatGPT by now. The YouTube and Google algorithm gods are shoving it down our throats daily. As you can see, practically anything I search for finance related leads me back to ChatGPT. So, will ChatGPT make you rich next week? Welcome to our channel. If you're returning, welcome back. On this channel we explore everything finance. Today's topic of conversation is AI, which is an abbreviation for artificial intelligence. More specifically, we'll be discussing ChatGPT. We'll be answering one of the most common questions of 2023. Can ChatGPT make you rich? Well, before you go storming into your boss's office, smoking a cigar, telling them you no longer need this job anymore and they can stick their job up there. Slow your horses. Unfortunately, the truth is, all these dreams that every YouTuber seems to be selling right now about making 5 figures in your sleep overnight and earning hundreds of thousands of dollars on autopilot, with minimalistic work. Well, that's exactly what they are, dreams. ChatGPT is a very advanced, fascinating piece of software. Its ability to learn, develop, answer complex questions quickly and have human-like conversations is phenomenal. But one thing it's not, is a get-rich-quick scheme. Yeah, sure, it can write you an Amazon product description for your store in seconds. Write you a whole blog on why the United States of America is the best country on earth in minutes. Or maybe help you with ideas for your YouTube channel that's going to make you millions in revenue by next weekend. But is it really as simple as that? Not quite. These tasks are all done at a basic level. For example, it may be able to write a blog for you. However, it won't necessarily be a captivating, compelling blog that captures your users' imagination and makes them want to continue reading, or better yet, return for future content. At best, if you are struggling with getting started, it can write you a basic blog to inspire you, and you'll have to amend as necessary, which again will take a considerable amount of time to produce something worthy. Not to mention technology already exists that can determine whether a body of writing was written by ChatGPT, and with time, I'm sure there'll only be more of these. What about writing you code for the next trading bot to earn you 17,168% returns without you having to lift a finger? Yeah, well, no, it can't do that either. You see, although ChatGPT can write basic code, and can most certainly write an entry-level script that you can plot into TradingView, again, you will require some level of coding experience, as this code will likely give you a bunch of compilation errors, and have to be heavily amended in order for it to work. And sure, even then, once it's up and running, maybe you could backtest your newfound super trading robot and it performs amazing. This won't guarantee future success, as the markets can be wildly irrational and trading bots simply cannot be programmed to adapt to respond to things like unpredictable events, i.e. the Russian president announcing a war on Ukraine. So, as you can see, it's not the all-singing, all-dancing money-printing machine every YouTuber is making it out to be. That being said, it's not all bad. AI has its uses. AI technology is becoming increasingly more advanced by the day. Several industries such as transport and manufacturing and even app developers are all utilizing AI to make money. And I strongly believe if used correctly, AI technology can be a very lucrative addition to your business. E.g., it could be really good at handling repetitive tasks, or if you're a writer and you're suffering from writer's block, maybe it can inspire an idea if you ask it the right questions. And let's not forget the very popular photo editing app, Lensa. Lensa is an app created by Prisma Labs that allows you to upload a picture of yourself, and for $10 it turns you in a cool animated cartoon version of yourself. However, what you probably didn't know was, Lensa has just copied the code from Stable Diffusion AI engine and given it a simple user-friendly interface, which is quick and easy to use. So essentially, they have used AI to charge and make millions, taking advantage of another AI software that literally anyone can use for free. So, what's the answer to the question? Can ChatGPT make you rich? Well, the answer is yes and no. No if you think it's going to retire you in the next 24 hours, and have you sitting on a beach in Hawaii, sipping on pina coladas with your toes out, plus your phone going off every 5 minutes telling you just earned another $1,000. The truth is, unless you win the lottery or inherit an estate, there is no shortcuts to wealth and success. However, if you apply your mind, sacrifice some time, and with a small upfront investment, you can be anything you want in life, and the world is your oyster. Yes, if you utilize AI such as ChatGPT correctly, it can be a great addition to your arsenal, and can most certainly assist you in your dreams of getting rich. The potential of how much it can help you earn is unlimited. It's just important to keep in mind, it's not the magical solution that's going to bring an end to all of your financial woes overnight, it's just one piece of a puzzle. The truth is, you can literally obtain anything you put your mind to. And in today's day and age, there is more ways to make online money than ever before. But to be successful in the long run, it's going to take time, dedication, patience, and most importantly, belief in yourself. So that will be it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below letting us know what you think of ChatGPT and AI as a whole. Until next time.